So, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, you know I appreciate having you here. Stick around for today's video. We have an unboxing. I would say it's a secret, but I put a thumbnail up and I put the title in the thumbnail, so it's not a secret. However, saying that, I don't really know what's in the box. I know it's heated stuff, but I don't know what it is. Well, I do, because I asked for two things, but I was quite vague. So let's see what we've got in the box. Thank you very much for sticking around. Welcome back. Yes, I'm quite amazed you're still here too, but you like unboxing videos and I like unboxing stuff. Right, so first of all, massive thank you to Kais for sending me this stuff. I already had some stuff from Kais from last year, so thank you very much for that as well. Again, I shall leave a video link in the description for the shorty gloves I had, the 701s and the vest top. It's just an unboxing, a bit like this one, but you can see what I've got. And also, I want to say a massive thanks, and it's a privilege. Now, if I was you, I'd go and sit down, take a pew, get ready for this, because if you're standing up, you might faint. They've picked me as one of their inspiring riders this year. I know, me, inspiring. But joking aside and being very serious, I am really quite honoured. It's been a long couple of years. If you've been on this channel for a while, you'll know I've been through some crap over the last 2 years. I'm not saying it's better or worse than what other people are going through. I'm just saying it was a bad couple of years for me. To sum it up, stroke, divorce, house going, yeah, that sort of thing. But we're in a good place now. So to be recognised by a company, not just your friends and family, is quite a pat on the back, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So once again, massive thank you to Kais for that. And I'm saying Kais because that's how I think you say it. I read it somewhere the other day. It's K and then they put ice in brackets. So Kais. If that's wrong, blame that vlogger, whoever it was. I can't even remember now. But hopefully, fingers crossed, that is correct. Let's get on with the unboxing. I've been rabbiting on now. I'm an inspiring rider. I shouldn't be talking, I should be inspiring. So let's get on with it. I will try and keep this professional, unlikely, but we'll have a go. Oh. Look at that. Says Mr. Fish, we are ready to keep you warm and toasty this winter on all of your inspiring adventures. Team Kais UK, inspiring adventures. I've got to get out there and do stuff, haven't I? Right, in the box, we've got some stickers. Just a few. I don't know if you can see those, some inspiring rider stickers. So we shall dot those about the place on various bikes. I might even stick them on my forehead. Right, so here's the first one, and this is heated trousers. Oh, I'm looking forward to wearing these. And in the box, you've got a battery terminal connector that goes straight to your battery with a load of fuses in there so you can get the right one. And I believe, well, it's obvious, the more clothing you wear, the bigger the fuse you need. I would say, if you want to know any of the technical stuff, head over to Kais's YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description below, and they have all the information of how to fit these to the bikes and the clothing and the connections and stuff like that. Little tiny snippet videos and easy to get on with how-tos, let's say, kind of an online instruction manual. Then you've got a little extra one of these in there. It says Bluetooth power controller. You've also got the instruction manual in there. This is a bit of a stretch. I've got the camera further away than normal because I had the big box. But yeah, you've got that, the instruction manual. And then let's get rid of that. And we'll open the trousers. Right, so the trousers, they're kind of like, I'd say, like a tight pair of jogging bottoms. They're quite thin and nice soft material. And that's the controller there. And it's the same as what I've got on my vest top. And you've got on, obviously, and it's got high, medium and low. So you can set it to any temperature you want, as long as it's high, medium or low, obviously. It's got little zips at the bottom, so you can get your big feet through there. These are T103RP heated trousers, black, red pipe. Have you got that? And it's also got the little Kais logo on there as well. Just in case you forget where they're from, They're from Kais, and I'm looking forward to wearing these, being nice and warm during the winter. It's not quite cold enough yet, but give it a couple of weeks and I'm sure it'll drop down with the temperatures, and I'll be banging these on my legs. Winner, winner, toasty leg dinner. There you go, look, it's a bigger box. So this one is the J501RP Premium Heated Jacket Black Red Pipe. Have you got that? Good. Let's open the box. Put that to one side, take that out, let's throw the box down there. And again, you've got the product information and instruction manual. I've got another connector for the bike, another lead. I assume all the big garments come with these connectors. You can also get a cigarette type connector, and you can get battery packs for them as well. I've got a battery pack for the gloves and the vest, so I don't need that at the moment. I've also got the cigarette connector. And I've used the cigarette connector on some of the bikes and it works very, very well. The battery pack I use on the vest when I go out and about walking. It's very nice, just tuck it away, put it under your jacket and go for walks. I did that last winter and that little vest top was fantastic. And you've also got another one of these controller things. Let's crack on with the jacket. Again, the controller, low, medium and high. They're all the same on all the gear. This is the premium. Again, little logo there. It's got pockets. It's got little pockets for the batteries. It's got all the gubbins in the pocket there, all the connectors. You've got little connectors on there so I can connect the gloves to this and then the trousers to this as well. So I've got all three items heating me up at once and then connected to the bike, obviously. I'll tell you what, I'll shove it on and I'll give you guys a little bit of a fashion show. Yeah. If you're eating your dinner now, I'd say put it to one side. If you haven't eaten yet, I might put you off your dinner because it's technically undergarments. The jacket's going to be all right, but I'm not sure how stupid I'm going to look in a pair of under trousers. We shall see. This could be a bad move. See you in a minute. Right, so here's the jacket and it's got little pockets here with connectors in, which I'll assume go to your gloves. I'm clever like that, you see, because they're at the end of the arms. Makes sense. You've got a little pocket here. It's got no connectors in there, it's just a pocket. It's very nice material, it's nice and soft and it's warm just sitting here. And you've got these little controllers that go inside here, so they tuck away inside your pocket. You can just have it hanging out and then use the controller there. There's two on here because this is the trousers. This is the main jacket. If you look there, you've got input and output and that kind of, well, it says it all, doesn't it really? It's just electricity. One goes in, one goes out. And then under here, I mean, I could have done this with it off. That's how you connect to the bike. That's your input, your power lead, and that connects to that there. It's a nice material, very nice material. I'm not just saying that because it's free, it's a nice material. I mean, I got them last year, the vest and the gloves, and if they were rubbish, I would have turned this down. I wouldn't have gone along with it. I would have said thank you for including me, but I've got a bit of a reputation. If it is rubbish, it doesn't really make it to my channel. I don't bother filming it because it's a waste of my time and my effort. But if it's good quality stuff, I do. It gets on the channel and I like the company. I have to like the company as well. And the people that send me this stuff, absolutely fantastic. Can't say more than that. Just thank you very much. Right, so the trousers. I don't want to show too much of this because it's a little bit embarrassing. But there you go, booty shots. Something for the ladies and you, Richie Vida. So these are kind of like, sorry Richie, I didn't really mean that, but you know you like it. These are kind of like jogging bottoms. They're skin tight and obviously they go under your trousers and they're very, very nice. They are very smooth, that's the word, smooth on the back of the leg and a bit tougher on the front. So this is thicker, this will stop more wind and the back is designed obviously to be a bit more comfortable. Right, I'm going to stop feeling myself up now and get back to ending this video. Sorry about that. If you was eating your dinner while I was just doing that, apologies. I didn't mean to make you feel ill. But never mind, it's just the way it goes. I'll wrap the video up now. Right, so let's end this video. Once again, thank you very much to Kais for including me in your Inspiring Riders. I should tell you a little bit more. It's 6 riders from the UK, 6 riders from France, and 2 riders from the UK and 2 from France get chosen to go on an adventure. So I'm going to sign out here. Thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you very much, Kais, for including me in your Inspiring Riders. I'm chuffed more than you know. It's a massive pat on the back for me for what's gone on before this point. So that just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to do all those things you need to do. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can get a drop on these videos. I shall see you on the next one. You know I love you all. Stay safe, fish, and
get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead, get gone. Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead and get gone.